Today I'm going to show you how to create a macro in Zendesk. So if you're ready, let's do it. So directly from your dashboard, you're going to go up to the top right hand side. You're going to hit these 4-block icon over here. You're going to go down and look for Admin Center. So once you're in Admin Center, you'll have a menu down the left hand side of the Admin Center. You're going to look for Workspaces, and simply under Workspaces, you'll see macros. We are seeing over here all of our available macros. They're all active. And what we want to do here is just next to actions, we'll see create macro. Quite simply, you're going to add macro name. You're going to add a description over here. And then you are going to choose who it is actually available for. So if it's only you, all the agents in the group, or just all the agents in your workspace, you can change that. And then you can add actions to add a comment to the ticket or update the ticket's field value. So if you go add action, you can choose what you'd like to add as an action. Let's just say priority. And on this side over here, you need to choose your priority. So let's just say normal, and you can add additional actions there. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead, tap on create. You have now successfully created a new macro in Zendesk.